Hello class, let's go get familiar with 3D modeling for mechanical design in AutoCAD. When you open AutoCAD, go and create a new project. Over here, first thing that you need to do is go down and change your workspace to 3D modeling. By default, it's going to be in drafting and annotation. Change it to 3D modeling. Then your ribbon tab going to get changed. You can see that. After that, let's go get familiar with AutoCAD interface. On the top, we have quick access toolbar. And here you have your ribbons, different tab, and then on here you have file tabs. You have the file tabs you can add, and you have over here it is your view control and conceptual. So let's go start drawing a box. This bar that you see is your command line. For example, if you type L for line, it come here. You can type it here or you can type anywhere on your workspace. Under that, here is this one. This bar is your status bar. Status bar. We are going to work on with this later. If you want to change the icons in your status bar, you can go to the corner down and customize your status bar and select the one that you use mostly. On the top right, here is your view queue. You can left, you can go to the corner, click top or different direction, and even go to the bottom. And then if you want to go back to your original view, you can press on home. Home is here. This bar on the right is your navigation bar. This is pan. Zoom. You can also zoom with the mouse wheel. And go explore all. Orbit. You can orbit here. And go and explore all. On the top on quick access bar, beside share, click and make sure that the layer is check mark, because you need to have layer. For example, you need to have it here, and after that you can see all the layer. This is zero layer, like you can add layer later on. On navigation bar, here I am on pan. If you want to exit, just press escape. And now type L for line, and select line. When you select line, you can select line from the list too. You have line here. You can type line on command line here. When you select line, click, and if you want to get to exactly the beginning point, you need to go down and click on make sure that the O snap and object snap is check mark. Here object snap, and this is F3. Make sure object snap is on. And when you are online, because object snap is on, look here. When you hover your mouse close to here, you see a little green square. Click, and again green square, click and press escape. This is enough for the lesson. Enjoy and practice.